real quick video for you how to replace your speed feed head on an Echo SRM trimmer. You're going to see that you have this hole right here. You're going to line that up right there on the collar. Put an Allen key, 5mm. You're going to insert it like that. And clockwise, going to the right, is loosen. So it's the opposite of lefty-loosey. And you're going to spin this part. Now if yours is seized on there, you're going to spray a little penetrating fluid right down there. Or you could give it a couple whacks on this nut with a screwdriver, chisel, whatever you have available. If it hasn't been changed in several years, it could be very difficult to get off. So you're going to just need to give it a couple light taps there with penetrating fluid, and then twist off. You're gonna remove this, clean this all out. This will be gunked up. Clean that out. And I'll show you how to replace it real quick. Take your new head. So you'll have your new head, and this will go on counterclockwise. Spin that on. Put your Allen key on there and just snug it up. You'll also see it all aligns with the safety shroud. It has a notch in there. So line that up. This is counterclockwise. And just lightly tighten it. And that's pretty much good to go. Now you have a new speed head. You're ready to go for a couple more years. Hopefully that helps. And remember, if it's seized on, penetrating fluid and a couple soft taps, and you'll be good to go.